Good Saturday morning, October 24th, Mark's Crypto Corner News. You see that? It's right here, Mark's Crypto Corner. And this is the news. And here it is. Whatever this is, you can now earn 200% on your investment with ETH times 2, ETH 2X or X2IO. What is that? 200%. With the current market crashing and jobs either disappearing or not paying enough, everyone is forced to lower their expenses or work double jobs just to keep up. And prices are going up. They don't mention that. Those times are now over with ETH X2.io helps all the investors earn 200% of what they are investing without working. All you have to do is throw your money into somebody else's wallet and hope for the best. I don't know, but 200%, that return on investment seems a little high. But look at the fear and greed index. This is why the market's high right now. See, this is going to go back in a couple of days or sometime soon. It's going to go back there, and then the price is going to go down. So lock in your positions. I don't know what you want to do. Sell, buy, ride the waves, baby. So ETH 2X, you might want to look at that. I'm not going to go down the rabbit hole on this video. I'm just reading the headlines here. PayPal's crypto embrace. Morgan Stanley says move boon for mass adoption. Critics say payment giant violates crypto principles. It kind of does, because you can buy crypto through PayPal, but they won't let you transfer it. It's only there to facilitate online sales, and that's all you can do with it. So what the heck is that? Forget that. I'm not going to use that, most likely. I'll try not to. The entry of PayPal, but it's got all the banks having second thoughts about maybe getting caught up with the times. Let's see, the entry of PayPal into the cryptocurrency industry continues to expose the divide between traditional crypto space players who are less enthusiastic and non-crypto players who endorse the move. That's because non-crypto players don't understand what they just did. Yes, they put crypto into their payment system, but it's so limited, it's pretty much useless for traders that there are millions of, including myself. So it really makes no sense for me to use that. It's more for the people who don't really want to deal with crypto other than just to buy something, which in a way is kind of good because it helps push forward this mass adoption and usage, right? The crypto economy is going to explode in the next couple of years. It really is. So what's next? Nevertheless, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so here's a Ethereum chart. Could break dramatically higher once it holds $500. Well, right now at this very time, U.S. funds 413.39. You see, everything was peaked and then it dropped and then it goes up, down, up. You see how they all correlate? They're mostly the same. So, Litecoin's good to trade on. I like Litecoin. I've never lost on a trade with Litecoin. So there you go. That's what's going on in the market right now. Bitcoin 12,988. It's like so close to 13,000. Okay, US. So what as we hear, Ethereum has undergone a strong surge over recent days that has brought it from 360 to highs of 420. And who doesn't like 420? Analysts say that it will undergo a macro move higher once it manages to flip into the $500 support. Ethereum is set to break dramatically higher once it holds 500. Analysts, the cryptocurrency is currently positioning to do things. Yes, yes, yes. There you go. And that's it. Ethereum's fun too. I've done all right with that. I remember it was $800 at one point a couple of years ago. That's, I think, about what it peaked to, maybe 1,000 US. I always say, quote in US. So what's this? Voyager Digital buys European crypto exchange focused on institutional investors. Institutional investors have a lot of money. Crypto asset broker Voyager Digital Limited is buying LGO Markets, a French cryptocurrency exchange focused on corporate investors. The two firms will merge under one brand, Voyager, and their two separate native tokens, VGX and LGO, will also merge. Okay, that's interesting. And what do those tokens do? We don't know. The deal grants Voyager, a Canadian securities exchange listed SCE firm, access to the European retail market through these two buildings and some wires in the ground, I suppose. Okay, so that's just some news. Business news. All right, next. Abra's CEO just put 50% of his investment portfolio into Bitcoin. Bitcoin has enjoyed a strong rally over the past few months as macro trends have favored its growth. The rally comes as an increasing number of investors, both within crypto and out of crypto, have realized that there is growing fundamental value in owning Bitcoin. Yes, yes, there is. Prepping for next year's travel rule. Is there a travel rule that's going to be new? 25 U.S. crypto service providers publish compliance solutions paper. Okay, a great number of cryptocurrency businesses are preparing for the upcoming Financial Action Task Force rules towards cryptocurrencies, specifically the travel rule. This month, 25 virtual asset providers published a paper that outlines how American-based VSAPs aim to comply with the FATF travel rule. Digital currency companies, otherwise known as virtual assets, it said here somewhere, didn't it? Service providers. Yeah, so there's going to be some rules, possibly taxations. I don't know exactly. I guess we'll find out next year. But there sure is a couple of cryptonyms right here, isn't there? FATF and VASPs. We'll have to, let's just make a note of that. I'll add it to my cryptonyms section of my blog. Let's paste that. School day. That's not. The teacher wants a meeting. Let's see. Just virtual asset service providers. There we go. I'll just copy that. Copy. Paste. And there was another one. FATF. Financial Action Task Force. Yes. Copy. We'll just do this quickly. This is what makes news live interesting or not. Back to business here. Back to the news. So there's some rules. What's next? This technical indicator suggests Bitcoin has formed a local top. Oh, right here. Help me. I'm going to fall down. And hey, it might be a good selling point. Who knows? Right? It's kind of what it's doing right now, you see? Where are we? Bitcoin, yeah. Right there. See that little curve? Same deal. And Bitcoin's price is seeing a slight consolidation phase as it trades around 13. The selling pressure around 13,200 has proven to be significant, but bear's inability to spark any significant retrace points to some weakness amongst sellers. If bulls can provide BTC with a strong foothold within its price region, there's a strong chance that something will happen. Yeah, okay, it's always happening. It's up and down. That's price predictions for you. It goes up, it goes down. Ride the waves. Yes. Buy the dips when it's at the bottom, of course. Not at the top of the dip. Alright, what's next? Are we at 13,000 yet? Nope, 12,990. It's been riding around there for like last 24 hours. Ethereum is poised to rally past 430 despite consolidation. Okay, Ethereum has been showing tremendous signs of strength as it begins moving in lockstep with Bitcoin, despite seeing a sell-off on the first day that Bitcoin started rallying. ETH quickly reshaped its previously close correlation with Bitcoin and began surging. Full stop. This surge led its price all the way up to highs of 420. Yes, like I mentioned earlier, there was another thing that said 420. And so that's Ethereum for today. Stellar or XLM, price prediction and analysts. I saw someone mention XLM is something to watch. Lumens is an investment class that is becoming more popular. If you want to learn more about it, this article is going to detail the prediction of its price performance in the month of November, if you decide if it's worth investing or not. Yeah, okay, so look at it. What this guy is doing. This is like a football team or not? I don't know. Mastermind of alleged billion-dollar Spanish pyramid scheme arrested. Who's this? Forsage? The CEO of Arbistar, the Spanish investment company Santiago Fuentes, has been arrested and arraigned on charges of fraud belonging to a criminal organization and money laundering. Fuentes, I think is how you say it, who has been in hiding since September, was arrested at one of his properties in the south of Tenerife. Sounds like a nice place. Pyramid scheme. Yeah, there's plenty of those around. Here's a piece of advice. If you give money, then you should expect something in return. Okay, if you have to give money and then recruit someone else to make your money back, that is not legal, and it will eventually break apart. Although if it's on a smart contract, I don't know if it can be stopped or not. So that's it for Mark's Crypto Corner News on this cold Saturday, the October 24th. And that's it. We're going to add also Crypto Nims here, if you've not been here. Slow computer. Warning, Crypto Nims. So I'm going to add these things that I put right here. Remember that? We're going to add that. And if you need to know more about trading, learning from some pros, you got to click here, okay? Mr. Justin Clark, he's a mastermind, and he gives awesome information for you to choose to use or not, and you can join for free to get some cool information and get you started if you're interested. I mean, there's some serious opportunity right now to get some. If you want to invest Bitcoin, it's you might think that the game is over, but it's not. I'm serious. It's only $13,000 right now, almost. It's going to be in quite a short period of time, I imagine. But things are going crazy, and if you want to, I would say you could probably make a few dollars if you just bought some Bitcoin and held it, right? But anyways, don't take my advice. Just learn something here for free and make a choice for yourself. Don't tell me I said to do it and then you lose your money and your wife kicks you in the ass or something, right? It's good stuff. And it's a great team, lots of transparency, full disclosure. It's amazing. These guys are amazing. Anyways, that's it for Mark's Crypto Corner. And thanks for watching. Love you.